What's going on YouTube? T-Torres back here for another video. I'm not gonna lie, when I picked up the camera today, I was like, man, it feels really weird being in front of a camera again. I haven't made a video in a long time. It's because most of you already know I'm in Airman Leadership School for the Air Force. It's just a course that I go to. It's a leadership course that I go to become supervisor in the Air Force, and it's very stressful and I have a lot of things to do. But the course is going well for all who cares. And 2 weeks from now, I'll be graduating on the 28th of June. So, once I graduate, I'm going on vacation with my family, and then videos will return back to normal. But today's video, I just wanted to make an update video and let you know, what's going on with my car. A lot of big changes are happening. So some of those have already been mentioned. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at ttorres1183, and you'll always be in the loop and know what's going on with the car. So a few things that I want to go over with the car. One of the biggest things that has happened is I freaking curved one of my wheels on accident leaving a buddy's house. So that's going to be getting fixed this week. We have a guy here called the Wheel Doctor. 120 bucks, and it'll make the wheel look brand new. Here is the outcome of that. It made me cringe so bad. I still can't believe I did that. And of course it tore off some of my tire stickers. But yeah, this is going to be getting fixed. It was just easier to go ahead and get this repaired than to buy a whole new rim, because they're on back order for like 3 months. So I wouldn't have, this wheel on the car for at least another 3 months. So he's going to get it fixed, make it look brand spanking new. So I'm excited about that. Gonna have to get some more tire letters. I'm gonna eventually, when I get more time, rip all of these off. Some of them, see, they're already falling off. They're already falling off now, so I really need to go ahead and get those taken off. Another big thing that has freaking pissed me off. You guys see this? I was coming home yesterday. Look at that big crack. I was coming home yesterday from eating, and this pebble had just flew up and cracked my windshield, and it's bad. And then I have another one. Let's see. I have another one. Let's see if you can see it. Another one right there that has just really freaking pissed me off. So, yep. Now I'm gonna have to get a new windshield. See if I can show you this one more time. But anyways, yeah, it hit like right there, and it ran all the way up there. So it's only a matter of time that it spreads out. And as you can see, I don't have time. I've got Aeroflow Dynamics front splitter with the connecting rods. I've got Type R steering wheel that I need to install. I've had that for a while that I need to do. There's just so many things to this car that I need to do. So the next thing that I want to announce to you all is the real big surprise that I have coming. All right, so now it's time for the good news. Leave all that negativity behind. All right, so I think it was about a month or two, I reached out to Premium Auto Styling, and I was like, hey, I would really be interested in you guys designing my vinyl wrap. So I contacted them, called them, we exchanged some emails back and forth, and they are the ones that have designed the vinyl wrap for my car. And that vinyl wrap is going on. I graduated on a Thursday. I'm dropping the car off at the vinyl shop on a Friday, and then I'm going out of town. So when I come back from the beach, the vinyl wrap will be done. I cannot wait to show you all the vinyl wrap. It is crazy. Like, just think about, I don't know, I'm just super excited, and it's been so hard for me to keep it secret. I've showed some of my close friends and stuff, and they really like it, so I got their approval, so I'm sure you guys will like it too. But as far as the scheme goes for the actual vinyl wrap, the entire car is going to be vinyl wrap. There's nothing is going to be white on this car anymore, Yeah, so anyways, 360 around the car, it's all getting vinyl wrapped. Gonna have to take off these side skirts, obviously. And so it's actually kind of a good thing that I didn't install the front splitter, because it would have to come off anyways, because it's all about to be vinyl wrapped. So I'm super excited about that. The turnaround time, the guy says he can have the car wrapped in 3 days. He's already got all the materials ordered. And yeah, so if anybody from Premium Auto Styling is watching this video, thank you guys so much for designing my wrap. I really just can't wait to show it to the world. Yeah, super stoked to see. I mean, nobody's gonna recognize this car anymore. So, and some other things, I've been working with some other companies to, let's just say, to lower the car. So that's to come in the future too. There is a lot of things coming for this car in the future. So we got the vinyl wrap, we've got the front splitter in the garage, we've got the Type R steering wheel. Like I said, yeah, there's just so many things that are having to come for this. But yeah, so after the car gets vinyl wrapped, we're gonna get some new tire stickers, and the car is gonna get back low. But I really just wanted to make a quick little update video for you all. I'm still in my course. Like I said, I got 2 weeks left. So this video will be going out, of course, on Wednesday at 4 o'clock. So thank you guys so much for sticking by my side, and still, you know, my subscribers are still going up. People are still watching my videos, and I'm still actively engaging in my YouTube comments. May not be posting as much on Snapchat or Instagram, but I'm doing the best I can, having to study a lot. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The next few videos of this car, this is going to be the last, this is going to be one of the last videos maybe that you see of this car being all white. So like I said, I'm super excited to get this car vinyl wrapped, and I know a lot of people in the comments that they say I talk a lot, and yes, I do talk a lot. So if you don't like that, then don't watch my videos, don't subscribe to my channel. But if you'd like to listen to me talk and you think I have good videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. But anyways, thank you all for giving me the opportunity to do this. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.